All right, folks. Thought maybe it'd be helpful to go over a couple extra questions here. I'm not gonna go through all 12 of these, but if you get down to maybe you need some extras for preparing for the test, you can look at these solutions to help you out with this. So maybe do 5 or 6 of these, maybe. The first one here, you have to distribute first. So I'm going to write that as 6x, or sorry, 6k, I guess in this case, plus 36 plus 3, and then come over here and distribute. So we get 15 minus 18k. I'm going to look over here for like terms, and I see those being like terms. On the right hand side, there's no like terms, so I'm going to go 6k plus 39 equals 15 minus 18k. Now I like to move my variables first, so I know that that's a 6k and that's a negative 18k, and I need them both on the same side. So I'm going to take 18k here, add that there, and I'll come over here and add it. So it's going to give me 24k plus 39 equals 15. So again, I need to isolate my k's. So then I'm going to subtract 39 from both sides. And that's going to eventually give me 24k equals, so 15 minus 39 is negative 24. So then k equals negative 1. Matching up then to our answer here. Let's do, so number 2, pretty similar, except for there's no plus 3 on the end here. So not too bad. Let's go ahead and do number 3 here. I'll distribute. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4n is 8n. This is going to be 4 times n is just 4n. 4 times 2 is 8. And then I've got my plus 6n. So again, going back to see combined like terms, there's nothing over here on the left. Look on the right, 4n and 6n. Those are like terms. Now it's a positive 4n and a positive 6n, so that's going to turn into a 10n. And I got plus 8. This is 2 plus 8n. Again, I got variables on both sides here. I'm going to move these 8 to the right hand side. Maybe a little bit different than what I did in the last one. Move 8n, because it doesn't matter which ones you move. So that's going to be 2 is equal to 2n plus 8. Subtract 8 from both sides then, because I need to get this 2n isolated. So subtract 8 equals 2n, and I'll divide both sides by 2. So give me n to be negative 3. At this stage here, guys, I subtracted 8n, but what if we went, let's do it in red here, what if we went 2 plus 8n equals 10n plus 8, and I subtracted 10n from both sides. So I have 2 minus 2n equals 8. Okay, I'll subtract 2 then to get the n's by themselves, so those go away. Gives me negative 2n equals 6. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. N still ends up being negative 3. So that shows you that it doesn't matter whether you move your variables to the left or you move them to the right. It does not matter. Let's do number 6. 5 and 6 are kind of similar. So now the distributive property has to be done first. So when I distribute that 6, I got to pay attention to the fact that it's negative 6. Over here, I got to distribute a positive 3. It's going to be negative 4n minus 24n minus 18. So it's negative 24. That's negative 18. It'll be negative n plus then, so that's going to give me negative 18n. So negative 18n, and then that's going to give me negative 9. We'll combine like terms, so over here I've got multiple terms with n in it, so it'd be negative 28 n's minus 18 equals, now on the right hand side I've also got multiple n's, so it'd be negative 19n minus 9n. I'm going to, let's just move everything, let's just leave this one here, and let's move this 19n over. So negative 28 plus 19 is going to give me negative 9n minus 18 equals negative 9. I'll add 18 to both sides. And this is eventually, I'm going to run out of room here, negative 9n. So that's going to go away. There's going to be negative 9n on the left. And negative 9 plus 18 gives me 9 on the right. Divided by negative 9. Negative 9 divided by negative 9 will give me negative 1. I know some of us are really struggling with these here at the bottom. What I want to do, I want to get rid of fractions right away. So I'm going to look at that denominator, that one, and that one. And I'm going to think, what can I make them all grow to through multiplication? So I can make 2 turn into 16, I can make 4 turn into 16, and 16 is already 16. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through every single term and multiply it by 16. Okay, every single term and multiply it by 16. So I'll just try to color code this here. So I'll take that one and multiply it by 16. If I do that, 1/2 times 16 is 8, and then that gives me negative 8 times k. If I multiply this one by 16, that's going to give me 32. If I multiply this one by 16, it's going to give me negative 32k. If we multiply this one by 16, so here's where maybe it gets a little bit difficult. Multiplying that by 16, that 16 and that 4 will divide and leave me 4. So what's going to happen, I'll have only 4 times this negative 11, so it gives me negative 44k. And then we'll multiply this one by 16. It's back to a little bit of an easier one. 16, 16 cancel, leaves me just 21. So now it generates an equation that's very simple to solve. I add my k's on this side, so it's going to give me negative 40k plus 32 equals negative 44k plus 21. So I'm going to add 44k to both sides. Gets 4k plus 32 equals 21. I'll subtract 32 from both sides. Okay, so it's going to be 4k. 21 minus 32 is negative 11. And then negative 11's force ends up being that answer for this one. And that's the thing, is that when people go through these questions, I go through 1 through 10 and they're all integer answers. But 11 and 12 are a little bit different, and they think, well, I did something wrong because my types of answers, the way they look, are different than what my previous 10 questions were. Don't worry about that. Do the math. Let the math prove that you're right.